North Carolina, inside the LP Arena. Here's Friday night.
I am unbreakable. I am unstoppable. I am an animal. How can they stop me? I'm breakable. I am unbreakable. I am unstoppable. I am an animal. How can they stop me? I'm breakable. They watch as I'm falling apart. So much pressure, they're calling it hard. It's an understatement. The scars are the proof. It was deep, it was harsh. I may be down today, but tomorrow I'll work. I'm trained even harder. Come ballad, the rain fall down on me. I will remain the last one standing. I aim everything in me at a task at hand. Got it on lock like Azkaban. Homie, that focus is laser, sharp like a razor. Put it down, stuck in the drought, jumping around, kick up the dust, yell at the heavens. The rain falling down. My clothes are drenched. And some of the strength is hidden within me. I'm off.
He says I'm ready. Let's go.
I am unbreakable. I am unstoppable. I am an animal. How can they stop me? I'm breakable. I am unbreakable. I am unstoppable. I am an animal. How can
North
they stop me?
Carolina, let's get it now. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing. You picked an awesome night to join us.